guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sleek Lover again. So today we're creating this pink beautiful look. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, please kindly hit the notification bell. So today I already did my brows off camera, and I only concealed underneath my brows. I didn't do anything to my upper brows. So I'm just going to be prepping my eyelids with this white base, after which I'm going to take that pink shade for my blush palette and I'm going to run that over my crease. So I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take that pink shade from there. So I'll be taking the series of pink shades from my blush palette and also from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So guys, keep watching. And yes guys, I use the tape, so you know the outcome, the eye look will come out really neat. Even with the eyeliner, everything will just come out so neat. I won't need to conceal my eyeliner, I won't need to give it some sharp edges. It's just going to come out on its own. So guys, next I'm just going to take this flat brush and I'll be cutting my crease with the white base I used earlier to prep my lid. So a few things to know guys, while cutting your crease, you need to be really careful. So just take your time while you're cutting it and just be careful. Just be careful and take your time, because you don't really want your cut crease to look messy, and it differs. You can cut your cut crease, you can make your cut crease either higher or lower, depends on your eye shape and probably what you also want. So take note guys, take. So guys, next I'll just be taking that nude shade from there and I'll be applying that over my cut crease. Then next I'm taking my glitter primer and I'm going to apply that with a flat brush over my cut crease, and then I'll be taking these beautiful pink glitters guys, pink glitters. I'll be dabbing them onto my cut crease, after which I'll just run over my crease generally with a pink shade to buff out any excess glitters that might have fallen on them. Then I'll move into my eyeliner application. So after my eyeliner process, I'm just going to move in with my mascara, and guys, look at how glittery the pink looks. I really love the pink, like the glitters are just so beautiful. Guys, I'm just taking off the tape and you can see how sharp they look. Yeah, they really look really sharp on it. So guys, I'm going to move into my face bit. So I'm going to take my Pond Mattifying Oil Control and I'm going to take my Ezekiel Photo Fix Primer, and I'm just going to mix those two together at the same time, and I'll let that do the magic. Voila, we are done. So next I'm going to take my Classic HD foundation. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to apply that in a really weird manner today, and I'm going to use a brush to first of all buff it out, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender because I really need the blending. So it doesn't depend on whether your products, like the face products, are too much or they're in excess or they're less. It's just what matters mostly is all about the blending. If you can get your blending right, it doesn't depend if the products are too much or less, you're going to get your face right. So take your time to blend guys. That's why I always go back into my face with my beauty blender. So now I'm going to my contouring routine. Yeah, I'm just going to contour underneath my cheeks, underneath my cheekbone or whatever I do. So then I'm just going to contour everywhere I really need to contour, my nose and all. So after which guys, I'm going to go into my highlighting process. Yeah, everything's a process guys. So I'm going to take my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll be applying that in a really weird manner also. So guys, I'm just being goofy, so next I'm just going to take a brush and just blend that contour into my face. I'm going to blend the whole contour into my face, after which I'll go ahead and blend my highlighted, like the highlighted places. I'm going to use a brush also to blend everything, after which I'm done using the brush. I'll still go over it with my beauty blender. Yeah, the beauty blender is it's just a needed product. Like I need to use my beauty blender, so because I feel more comfortable after I'm done using my beauty blender. If I don't use my beauty blender, I always feel like, guys, I've not done the work, like something still left to be done. I always feel like the blend is just not complete. Like, you know. Guys, I'm just defining underneath my contour plate. So guys, I'm just going to be setting my face now with my Zika powder palette. I'm first going to take that white shade. I'm just going to put that in the highlighted places, after which I'll just go with
the music producer.
So I'm going to be mixing those two dark shades today to contour my face, to set my contour with, because I really want my contour to be a little bit deeper than normal today. So I'm just going to use those two dark shades from the Zika powder palette, and their names are Nora and Cappuccino. So now I'm taking my pink blush. I've never actually tried this blush. I always use the red one, but today I decided to use the pink one. Guys, I'm so in love with it. Like, it's so perfect on me. Like, I really love it. And today I decided to try this brush. I never really knew the use of this brush, so today I decided to use it for my highlights. And guys, I love it. Like, I really love it. It fits so perfectly, perfectly. And I decided to use, because I discovered that it had a pinched mouth, so I said maybe the pinched mouth is actually for the nose highlight. So I decided to use it, and the turnout was really beautiful. Like, this is like my all-time favorite highlighting brush from now on. So I decided to just use that small brush also to highlight the outer region of my eyes, after which I'm going to go in with a black pencil to line my eyes, underneath of my eyes rather. Then I will take a brush and just use that to make it even. Then after which I'm also going to take a pink shade. I don't know which pink shade I used, so I just took the pink shade to use underneath the dark pencil I used earlier.
The music producer.
Purchase your tracks today.
Guys, now I'm going to move into line my lips with this dark pencil. I'm just going to outline my lip shape with that, and then I'll move in with a nudish pink.
The music producer.
Purchase your tracks today.
Dubs the music producer.
So guys, I'm not taking a natural powder shade from that palette. I'm just going to use that to blend in my whole face. Yes, I'm just blending in my whole face with each other, cause from earlier I baked it, I set it, so now I'm just going to make everything even. So that.
Purchase your tracks today.
Dubs the music producer.
So next, guys, I'm just going to take my Ezekiel fixing spray. I'm just going to spray all that all over my face to set everything in order. So guys, I'm just going to spray.
Purchase your tracks today.
So we are basically done, not yet though. We're only one step. So keep watching, guys. But this is beautiful. I love the highlights. Ooh, girl, this is beautiful. So next, yeah. I need to have those. So I'm just using my black liner. The next, we are done, beautiful people. We are done for today's look, and I hope you enjoyed watching me recreate this look with you all. Yeah, this video is downloadable, so you can just save it offline, and you can just comment down below any look you want me to recreate for you guys. I'm always here to listen, so thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share. Bye people, see you next time.